Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday, right, honey? Thursday, March 14, I think. Yeah. So today's vlog is going to be a cooking day again, right, honey? Sure. Say hi.
No.
Hi. He's gonna do it. Sometimes like he's okay with the camera. Sometimes he doesn't like the camera.
I like it.
And then this is gonna use the pancit bihon. Ito, guys. So yeah, prepare lang natin, guys, yung lulutuin natin and start na tayong mag-cook. Ang galing naman ito, guys, yung nabili ng nakapackage na carrots. Ayun siya, oh. Yung pampansit talaga, nakat na talaga siya ng maayos. Ayan na siya. Huhugasan ko lang siya, guys. Nagagalit si Dan kasi nawalan kami ng internet kanina umaga. Kahapon kasi may blizzard dito. Pero ngayon maganda na yung panahon. Ewan ko kung bakit nawala ng internet. Kaya nagagalit siya. So, slice lang natin, guys, yung carrots.
And I went to your website 30 seconds.
So, kalahati lang, guys, yung gagamitin kong cabbage. Kasi hindi naman madami yung tawag dito, yung pansit. Lalaki ng slice ko ng cabbage. Okay lang yan. So, good luck. Sana maayos yung internet. Para may internet ngayong araw na to. So, guys, nakaredy na yung pan ko. So, I'm not working today. I'm off today and yesterday. So, magbo-vlog tayo ngayon, guys. So, today's vlog is going to be cooking. Magluluto tayo ngayon, guys, nang hindi ko alam kung anong lulutuin ko, either pansit canton or pansit bihon, kasi may dalawa ako ditong pansit, kaya figure out ko na lang kung ano yung lulutuin ko ngayon. So tawag dito yan. Nakabili ako medyo ano ko ngayon parang para save time, bumili ako sa store ng yung carrots na na slice na siya. Ito, guys, oh. Yan. Yung pang talaga, yung pang pansit talagang slice. Tapos bumili din ako ng Smith Yield salt pork. Yan yung tsura niya. Ito na lang gagamitin ko. Yan. Masarap itong gamitin sa pansit. Tsaka ano pa ba? Cabbage. I-slice ko siya. Kalahati lang yung ilalagay kong cabbage. Ayan na yung pork. Konting sibuyas. Bawang. Cabbage. Carrots. And ayan yung pansit. So, painitin lang natin, guys, yung kawali. Hindi ko na siya, guys, linagyan ng mantika kasi nagmamantika na siya. Yung pork. Oh, sorry. Inaantay ko lang, guys, maluto yung pork. And then ilagay na natin yung ibang ingredients. Coffee, guys, coffee. Nilagay ko na, guys, yung bawang. Kasi ano na siya, luto na siya ba? Teka, ano natin para makita yun. okay na yung internet. May internet na kami. Okay na yung internet. Okay na daw yung internet. So, parang ang ganda maglakad-lakad sa labas. Kaya lang malamig. Kahapon yung grabe yung snow eh. Tsaka snow and then wind. So, we call it here blizzard. But now, it's the weather. It's okay. So, okay na guys yung pork. Instead of water, so, okay na guys yung pork. Instead of water, I'm gonna use this. Sana sakto na to. Chicken broth. Gagamitin ko siya instead of water. Yun ang isasabaw ko sa pansit ko. So, ilagay na natin to guys na sabaw. Okay na yun eh. Instead of water, lalagay ko sabaw. So guys, pakukuluin ko lang siya and takpan natin. Magkape muna tayo guys. So instead of pancit bihon guys, I changed it with pancit canton because Dan like more the pancit canton, the yellow one. So yeah, ito na siya. Antayin ko lang siya guys maluto. Tapos guys, ilagay na natin yung, ano kaya unahin natin? Cabbage. Ilagay na natin tong cabbage. Yan. Magaling ka naman ito. Tapos, isunod natin itong carrots, guys. So, antayin ko lang siyang guys maluto. Ayan na, ang sarap. Yan siya. Yum. So, ayan na guys yung pansit. Yan, sarap. Yan yung pork. Yan na yung pansit. Kain tayo guys ng pansit. Sarap. Nabuksan ko na yung pansit bihon. Kaya lang ayaw ni Dan ang pansit bihon. Kaya pinalitan ko siya ng pansit. Kaya yun. Ang naluto ko tuloy yung pansit canton. Gusto niya yung pansit canton kaysa sa pansit bihon. Kain tayo guys. So guys, after I cook pansit, we eat, and after that Dan left already his work right now. So finally the internet is fine so that I can play with my computer because I don't know what happened to my iPad because I edit my videos on iPad, so now it doesn't accept anymore the 4K videos on my iPad. Before it worked fine. I can transfer my 4K video to my iPad, but now I don't know what happened. Dan fixed it already, but we can't figure out what's wrong, whatever, blah blah blah. So I'm happy that I'm happy that starting learning editing my videos on my PC. So my last video I edited on my PC, which is weird because like I'm trying to figure out how can I put music, text, but now I can learn. But now I'm learning already how to edit, how to put music, text, and everything to my PC. So, which is good, yeah. So now, because normally I just edit my videos on my iPad, but now, I don't know, iPad doesn't like transferring 4K video on my iPad. But yay, so excited. So I'm gonna learn. So now I'm gonna keep like playing with my computer till I get used to it, how to play with my editing stuff. So then get me those Premiere editing app that I have to play with, learn how to edit my videos and stuff. But I'm happy that I can like play around and learn it, so that I can edit in my PC. It's easier. Yesterday I was like learning how to edit my videos, and then I recognized that it's easier to edit in computer. Like they have a mouse that you can click it like easier than the tablet. So ayun, bumalik na yung internet, so ngayon ako tawag dito, edit ako ng video, guys. Ngayon kailangan ko ng ano tawag dito, ayusin yung magulo ang computer ko, kasi normally I use my computer only like watching vlogs in YouTube and watching movie on Netflix. So now I'm gonna get used to it and play my computer. So ayan guys, sorry makulo. So ito yung computer, and then makalat. So ayan lang, ipakita ko sa inyo guys yung so pupunta lang ako dito guys sa itong where is it? Itong Adobe Premiere Rush CC. Yan, click ko lang yan. And then, naglo-load siya. So, ayan na yung itsura niya, guys. Ito na yung bago kong edit. Maglo-load lang siya. And then, there you go. So, ito yung i-upload kong, ito yung last video na in-upload ko. Tapos, ito yung i-upload kong videos ngayon. Ayan siya. So yay, I'm learning. I don't know how to use computer. My computer, it's been like 4 years, so I didn't use it all the time. Only I use it and like watching vlog on YouTube and watching movies on Netflix. That's it. And searching. That's it. So now I have to learn this, which is fun because I'm learning already how to edit on my computer. So yay! I think that's it for today's vlog, guys. Ikakat ko na siya kasi I'm going to upload the last video that we took and when we go to the zoo and Garden of the Gods. So i-upload ko yan, guys. And that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!